So this is my Dollar Tree haul. This is what I got from the Dollar Tree. I got these cool scissors because, you know, I'm bad about using my good scissors for the plastic, and it ruins it for when I cut the yarn. So I'm hoping these work out pretty good. So this is green, as you can see. There's where I got it from the Dollar Tree. Oop, dropped it. I thought it would say a color on there, but it doesn't. All right, and then you got this one. Let's see, does it have a color? Yep, like lime green. And then we've got this one. And there's the name. And like I said, they have different kinds, and I like these because they're real thin. So if we want to do something kind of cool with the yarn, we can, because it's thinner than the yarn that I get at Walmart. So I've got purple. I'm using my couch, sorry, because my desk is kind of junky right now. Looks like a hot mess. So, and then green. I don't know if I showed that one first or not. I can't remember. But those are the colors I got from the Dollar Tree. And like I said, it's different companies, different people. Let's see, you got the Premier Home, Just Yarn, and then the Crafter Square. So, and if you can see, it's a lot thinner than the yarn that we usually use when we do our little plastic canvas stuff. So we can use it for detail work. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. And have a blessed day.